What is life about? Is it about making money? Is it about being happy? Is it about finding your true love? Is it about conquering other nations? Is it about making a name for yourself? Is it about all the fun times you have? Is it about what you leave behind once you die? Is it about staying true to yourself and your ethics? Is it about being good and kind to the people around you? Is it about worshiping God? Is it about staying healthy? Is it about being smart? Is it about surviving? Is it about reproducing? Is it about being athletic? Is it about being creative? Is it about good food? Is it about alcohol? Is it about drugs? Is it about beautiful women? Is it about plants and nature? Is it about saving someone or saving the planet? Is it about eating? Is it about drinking? Is it about the small moments we enjoy in life? Is it about creating an artificial intelligence which then becomes God? Is it about studying and learning every day of your life? Is it about following Jesus or Muhammad or Buddha? Is it about showing no fear? Life can be many things. Life is a secret. Life is an adventure. It is there for you to figure it out. Every stone you find, touch it, turn it around. Every idea you have, contemplate it. You are the explorer on this earth in this life, and it is for you to find out what life is all about. You are not a reader of the book, but you are the writer of a new chapter. So set sail and go forth on to create new dreams and new life, new stories. Don't get stuck in the past or your thoughts. Go for it. Create. Take action. That is your life.